Hello everybody, it's Outdoors 131 and today I'm gonna be making a video boiling water, and the water's in there, and I hope you enjoy. Well, first I have firewood and I use some charcoal oil just to make my life easier. I got water in case it gets out of control, and I'm actually in my unfinished wiki up. I will make a video on this. This thing is awesome. I got my own fire pit. I got my gear over here, my hat, backpack, and I actually have like a little sofa, and I just got a blanket over it to for cushion, and it is surprisingly comfortable. And it's actually alright. I just have a Coleman knife with me. I have Coleman saw with my working gloves and some extra firewood in there. So let's start this thing up and boil some water. I have to put the camera down real quick to start the fire. Excuse me real quick. Excuse me real quick, I'm starting the fire right now with the match. If you hear background noise, that is cars, because I live next to a highway. I live in the country. I live next to this highway. There's the fire. In a minute, once it starts to get going, I'm going to put the pot over it, and then we'll have some nice drinking water. Alright, let me see if this thing will stay. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. I really need to get a tripod for this camera. But yeah, it's heating up right now. Yeah. Just wait a minute for it to get nice and heated up. If you're wondering about this pot, I actually got this from Walmart with this mess kit. Comes with a pan, measuring cup, pan, little bowl that's in there, right there. And then it comes with this boiler. This is a cheap thing, made in China. It was only $8, and the reason I bought this was because I just wanted a mess kit that I wasn't afraid to mess up and get all brown on the sides and everything, as you can see. But see if I can see that fire's getting out a lot. It's a windy day, which is not good to make a fire, but I didn't have much to do, so the wind was actually coming this way, but that's why I had the rock like that, but it just changed direction, so yeah. Let me put this glove on so I can work. That's better. Oh yeah, this thing has heated up. Just take it off of the fire now. There's the fire. And now we have us some nice warm water. And I actually made warm water this morning too because it was real cold this morning. So it just cooled down. It's actually steaming right now, but yeah, it's hot. After we get this poured in the cup, that'll be the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. But yeah. Alright, I think it's good enough right now. Still steaming, but that's okay. Let me get my glove on. There we go. Ah, that's hot. Whew. Can make hot chocolate in this. Well, that's the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. Alright. Bye.